Hello everyone. Welcome to Test Management using Quality Center or Application Lifecycle Management ALM. This is the first session introduction. Let me introduce myself. Myself, Prasad. I'm an engineering graduate having more than 9 years of experience with software testing. My career is entirely into software testing. As part of my career, I work with different flavors of testing, manual testing, automation testing, mobile application testing, and I'm having experience with multiple domains like healthcare, mainframes, e-commerce, and financial domains. In my career, I work with multiple tools like QTP, Selenium, Jira, Test Complete, Application Lifecycle Management, and I designed multiple frameworks. And also, I'm having experience with Android application testing and iOS application testing. We are here to learn test management using Quality Center. What are all the chapters we are covering as part of this course? First, we will be learning what is Quality Center. Here, I wanted to highlight one point. When I say that Quality Center, when I say that Application Lifecycle Management, both are same. Application Lifecycle Management is the newer version of Quality Center. Earlier, we used to call as Quality Center. Now, the Quality Center is renamed to Application Lifecycle Management (ALM). In this course, we will be learning Introduction to Quality Center. And in the Quality Center, we are having multiple modules. And in fact, when you are working with any test case, any test management tools, whether it is Quality Center, whether it is TFS, whether it is Jafire, when you are working with any test management tools, you will be having these kind of modules. One is your requirements module, or you can say that it's a release module, and your test plan module where you can maintain your test cases, test lab module where you can maintain your test case execution, defect module where you can track your report, where you can track your defects, and you will be having your dashboard or reports. When you're working with any test management tool, reports will play a critical role. Quality Center is popular because of this reports module as well. Let's have some introduction with respect to Quality Center ALM. Quality Center is a test management tool. The name indicates test management tool means you are managing the complete end-to-end testing activities by using this tool. We can manage the complete end-to-end testing activities. Start from your requirement management with your test cases, with your test plan, with your defect tracking. The complete activities can be managed using your Quality Center. And you can simply say that it's a framework for your complete testing activities. And Quality Center is a web-based application. That means once you join the organization, if you guys are using your Quality Center, you will be getting that URL, and you can access that URL, and you can use that Quality Center based on your project. Okay, so it's a simple terms, you can say that Quality Center is a web-based application. And when I say that Quality Center, this is not for one project. You will be having your multiple projects in your Quality Center. That means in your entire organization, you may be having one Quality Center. But in the organization, you may be having the multiple projects. So you can maintain all your multiple projects with your single Quality Center. That means in the real time, what will happen is you will be having multiple projects in your organization, and you are working with one of the project. So that project, what you can do is you can log into your project and you can start working with that project. We can also see that Quality Center practically going forward. Okay. We can also have this email configuration. Usually all this email configuration and maintaining your projects will be done by your quality center admin. So for entire tool, for your entire quality center, there will be one admin, and your admin will take care of all this configuration. That means why we need email configuration means, see, once you reported any defect or once you did any changes with your tool, immediately a mail will be sent to all the team members saying that so and so team member did so and so changes to the issue. So you will be getting the complete information for each and every update for that particular issue. And also you can also integrate your quality center with your different tools. Now say for example, I wanted to integrate with QTP. Currently I'm using QTP for my automation testing. So is there any possibility to integrate QTP with quality center? Yes, you can integrate your quality center with your QTP. You can integrate your quality center with your load runner, and also you can integrate your quality center with your Jira, which is a project management tool, so that you can do a complete full-fledged testing activities. And this quality center will help you in generating the graphs. So when you are having your graphs and reports, you can analyze the complete project status. Why quality center required? See, quality center is a one-stop shop for all the testing related tasks. As I said earlier, you can do complete testing activities by using this quality center. It's a one-stop shop for all your testing related tasks. And also you can manage your test cases, you can manage your test set, you can manage your defects, so you can manage all your testing activities and you can analyze even better by using this particular quality center. And one more point, important point, is it is very easy to track. So what you are doing, what cycle you are in, and then what is the stage of your execution, the complete details can be tracked very easily if you are using your quality center. That's all guys. Thank you everyone.